What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. We're back here at Worldwide RV, and today we're taking a look at a pre-owned Class C by Jayco. This is a 2022 Redhawk 26M. Let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see, this Class C is based on a Ford platform with that powerful V8 engine. You're going to get a center screen that's going to give you things like a backup camera, Bluetooth connectivity, and Sirius XM. And then right above you, you have a double wide bunk that is rated for 750 pounds. Behind the driver's area is a 4-person dinette, and this is honestly one of the few that I feel like you can actually sleep on. You have a fitted cushion, so it fits just right, and it's genuinely comfortable in these Redhawks. Along coming to your kitchen area, you have a dual bucket sink, tons of storage both above and below, and then a Furrion 3-burner stovetop and oven right below your High Point microwave. And then come on back. This is an adjustable Norcold refrigerator and freezer combo. On the other side of the refrigerator is your pantry slash closet area, whatever you want it to be. And in here, you're going to get tons of space. Just take a look at how deep that is. You're going to get 2 side doors and then along 4 drawers underneath. Right here, you're going to have a huge 50-inch Insignia Smart TV. Come on down, take a look at this Furrion fireplace. That actually emits heat electronically and does it very well. So while you're sitting back here on the couch watching TV, you get a great perspective. In the rear bathroom, you have things like a porcelain toilet, tons of storage in the cabinetry. You have a medicine cabinet that does open both ways. And then that shower is absolutely huge for this small of a Class C. And now you may be wondering, where's the bed? Let me go ahead and show you. We're going to take away these 2 cushions here on the bed, place them off to the side. And then we just push this little magical button and watch this. Wow, that thing goes fast. You're just going to adjust this little cushion here, and you have a comfy place to rest and watch TV without a pillow. Yeah. So if you guys are interested in this 26M or any Class C, Class A travel trailer 5th wheel, come down to Worldwide RV today, located in Mesa, Arizona, right between Higley and Greenfield. My name is Ethan, and I hope to see you soon.